Watching and streaming of quality movies can be done with the internet, and you can browse for free across all countries. Even you can do this at your office with your phone or laptop. This is the best app I can recommend to you. This is called a Quad VPN, which makes browsing cheaper and faster. You can download the Quad VPN from the Google Play Store on your Android device. Can you see this? This is the Quad VPN as you saw earlier on, and this is it. It will help you in order for you to browse freely in this century. What you have to do is to just connect this app and browse freely. Stop buying expensive data because that will drain your money. That money you've been using to buy data can help you and save for the future. Those small penny can be accumulated in order for you to do something great in the future. So stop spending expensive amounts on buying data. Rather, just go to your Google Play Store and download the Quad VPN, connect and browse freely. Browse till you are tired. This Quad VPN is the best of all you can recommend to your friends. I would dare you to recommend now. Please do this day. Recommend this app to 5 friends and you are going to become successful one day. Have a nice day and goodbye.